Hi, my name is Iken, and my book, Automating API Delivery, is aimed at organizations who face the problem of how to design, develop, and deploy APIs, how to do so at speed, while at the same time maintaining a great developer experience. There are 5 things you're going to learn from my book. The first is how to improve API consistency using automated API linting checks. The second is how to manage API evolution using automated breaking chain checks. The third is how to improve the quality of API designs using effective API design reviews. The fourth is how to reduce API documentation defects using automated API conformance checks. And the fifth is how to reliably deploy your APIs to your API gateway using GitHub principles. It's a really exciting book, so I hope you get and read my book, Automating API Delivery.